In this video, I'll guide you through how to add annotations in Docusign, whether you're reviewing a contract, collaborating on a document, or just need to highlight important details. Learning how to annotate directly in Docusign can make your workflow much smoother and more organized. To get started, open the document you want to work on in Docusign. This could be a document that's been sent to you for review or one you've uploaded yourself. Make sure the file has fully loaded and you can clearly see all the pages. If you're in an email notification from Docusign, click the link to review the document, and once it opens in your browser, you're ready to begin. Now that your document is open, look for the annotation or markup tools. Depending on your version or layout, you might see a button labeled Annotate, Markup, or a small icon that looks like a pen, highlighter, or comment bubble. This is usually found along the top toolbar or sometimes in a side panel. Click this option to switch from simply viewing the document to actually marking it up. Once you've opened the annotation or markup tools, you'll see different options you can use. The most common tools you'll find are highlight, note, and draw. Take a moment to hover over each icon if needed. Many interfaces will show a small label or tooltip explaining what each tool does. This can help you confirm you're selecting the right one before you start marking the document. If you select the highlight tool, you can use it to emphasize keywords, phrases, or entire sections of text. Click and drag over the text you want to highlight, and it should appear with a colored background. Highlighting is useful for calling out important clauses in contracts, dates, figures, or anything that needs extra attention. If you choose the Note tool, you'll be able to add comments directly on the page. After selecting the tool, click on the spot where you want your note to appear. A comment box will pop up, allowing you to type your message. This is perfect for explaining why you're suggesting a change, asking a clarifying question, or leaving instructions for someone else reviewing the document. Try to keep your notes clear and concise so that anyone reading them later can quickly understand your point. The Draw tool lets you freehand on the document. After selecting Draw, you can click and drag your mouse or finger, depending on your device, to circle items, underline text, or sketch simple shapes. This can be especially helpful when you want to visually point out a section without relying only on text. Just be mindful to keep your drawings neat and in areas that don't block important content. As you apply your annotations, move through the document page by page, repeating the same process. Highlight what matters, add notes where explanation is needed, and use drawing to visually direct attention. If you make a mistake, look for an undo option or an eraser tool, which most annotation interfaces provide. When you're finished adding all your annotations, the last step is to save your changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Done button, usually near the top or bottom of the screen. Click it to confirm your edits. This ensures your highlights, notes, and drawings are stored with the document, so the next person who opens it in Docusign will see everything you added. That's all it takes. You've opened your document, accessed the markup tools, chosen the right annotation options, applied them where needed, and saved your work so it's ready to share or review.